guys, and today we're going to be building, if you read the title, obviously, a machine gun. And you can load this machine gun with anything you want. You can load it with animals, potions, or arrows, anything you want. So I'm just going to be going on here. Yeah, so like I said, you can load it with anything you want. It's easy to build. Yeah, that's all I've got to say. It's so easy. Now, so what you would need is dispensers, obviously. Blocks of your choice. Sorry, little lag. Blocks of your choice. And, yeah, what you want to shoot, basically. So let's just get in first person. Sorry, this is taking a while. There we go. And, let's do it over here, eh? So, first of all, you get a block of whatever you want. I'm going to be doing an emerald block, for some random reason. And we'll be getting, let's go, actually, a fast way to do it, we can go like this. / give at s arrow 1. Yep, that's so much. And so why don't we do some more? / give at s arrow, let's go 700. Okay. Sorry. And then you can fill your inventory up with these. And once you've done that, you get your dispenser. Yeah, how about this one? And lever, redstone, yep, and a redstone torch. Pretty sure that's all you need. So I'm just gonna do one block, but you can do, God, how much you want high. Oh, whoops. I personally think this is enough, but like I said, you can do how much you want. So yeah. Sorry. Get that there. Whoop. Get that there. And let's place it. Oh, whoop. There. No. Yeah, I'm pretty sure there. Let me just. Okay. Just gonna do that, and then you get your redstone torch and got that. See? And go like that. Now, fill your dispensers with as much arrows as you can fit. This can shoot for ages, I'm telling you. So once you've filled up your dispensers with your arrows, all you gotta do is flick the lever and you're done. Watch this. Oh. What the? Don't know what's happening. But as you can see, it still works. You just need to keep flicking it. But as you can see, it's not shooting 3 arrows, is it? It's shooting way more than your average, your average dispensers normally do. Okay, I guess that doesn't work if you put that there. Whoops, should get out of the way. Yep, so as you can see, it's working. So that's all for today, guys. But okay, I'll just do a quick tutorial. So first, place down 1 block and put your redstone there, your dispenser there, that there, sorry, and then that there. Now your third step. What? Okay, your third step is put your lever there and go like that, and they're turned off. Now I'm a little lazy, so I'm just going to break these so I can get all the arrows. See, I've still got so much arrows in there. And I shot so much. So I'm pretty sure the mistake was I accidentally pressed I didn't do the lever. You need to flip the lever before you place the redstone torches, and then you should be fine. But if you're not, comment down below and I'll try to fix the problem. And okay, doesn't matter. Flip the switch. Yep. That's awesome, isn't it? So let's say you're doing a base battle. You see, they think it'll just shoot 3 arrows, so it's quite easy. And then when you flip the switch, they won't know what's coming at them. So it can shoot a range of quite far. And it also spits like a Spitfire. But you can also do it how high you want. This is pretty crazy. You can just do 1 block high, like that one. You can do 50 blocks high if you want. Or the height limit. Wouldn't know why. Not that useful. Okay, that's freaky. That gun keeps going off by itself. It is actually quite cool. You can just leave. And then this... Yeah. And you can also pick up the arrows again and use them again. So, that's cool. So, flip that. Do that. Okay, guys. Just a quick... Sorry, I didn't get some more arrow. Why am I filling it up with redstone? I'm sorry, guys. Don't know what's happening. Look. It's a raining arrow. Not arrows, redstone. Sorry. So, you can shoot anything. Slash, give, at, S. What if I go potion? Potion 1700. Oh, sorry. What? Okay, that's cool. It stops and goes again by itself. Ain't that remarkable? Okay, sorry guys. You need to, okay, slash, give, at, S. Let's go. Wait, sorry. Slash give it S pig, no, spawner, spawn, and go, sorry, I forgot what it's called, egg 64. Oh my god. Okay, let's just do arrows. You'll probably get bored out of your mind by now, but sorry. Slash give at s arrow in 1700. Oh, so 1700. Okay. I'm sorry. I just got. So I've still got my. Why do my arrows look like this? I've still got my Ant-Man add-on still on. So that's why it's a little. Would you look at that? There's no bullets in it. What should I say? Well, now there is. So you can actually speed up its shooting. So it shoots by itself. But you can also just make it shoot. As you can see, this is real awesome. I'm saying that can go about 50 blocks. And yeah, that's real far. And I've got a YouTuber. His name is Chicken Joe, and yeah, so I'm going to be doing a couple videos with him in a while, because you know, we're actually schoolmates. I'm only 10. Yeah, so if it doesn't work, just comment down below and I'll try to fix the problem and I'll reply to a comment. Okay. I want to get shot. I actually don't. I just want to see. Okay, this is going to be the end of the video, guys. So it needs to be awesome. Oh no! Shoot. No. Whee! Okay, that was beautiful. Now, thank you for watching, guys, and see you on another video. If you like my YouTube channel, stop shooting. Yeah. So, let's say, just before I go, let's say a creeper comes, and it's going for your base, and you're like, no, I've been spending ages on that. What you gotta do, flip switch. No, get out, you stupid donkey. Okay, hopefully some get shot. Let's go. Okay, as you can see, it doesn't do much. Majiggy. Doesn't do much damage, but it can go real far. Like you can put splash potions in there, and yeah, and it will go real good if you're on your base because they're real easy to build. You don't need command blocks or anything. You can actually whip up heaps of these on survival if you know been on the world for a while. Why? Oh, doesn't matter. Just wondering why they're getting hurt. I was punching them, that's why. No. As you can see, the lever's not in that good of a spot. Maybe I'll work something out. Just why I'm doing it.